I got my insurance. I got my driver's license suspended. I got a DUI on fight, so that's my owner's insurance.
Then why are you driving? You're suspended.
Huh? My license suspended for traffic cases, sir.
So you're driving recklessly and you're suspended.
I was
okay.
just going to go park to my auntie.
Oh, you're about to go park. Yeah. Okay.
How you feeling though, sir?
How you feeling? You see a little
all right, man. Trying to stay above water, man.
263 David.
63 David.
Traffic stop 43 in Berkeley.
Stop at 43 in Berkeley, 10-4.
Yeah, I spoke earlier, sir. I ain't gonna lie to you, sir. Yes, sir. No, I ain't got nothing in the car.
Where are you from, my man?
Step out of the car.
I'm for them car pull over right now.
No, get out the car.
Step out right here.
Why I can't pull over, sir?
You're my man. 6-3 David, car just took off on us.
Type of cars in which direction to travel?
7359 White Sox plate. He just crashed.
Where at?
43. He's right at the corner. Start one of the
He right here, he's down.
And they got the fender there?
6-3 David, start me EMS.
We got a roll. 43 anybody there? 263 David, we need fire and EMS. That's to a light pole. His truck is pinned around it.
That's cool, just me and that coming from down there where you were?
Yeah, he just took off on us. Yep. Hey, watch out, he's leaking over there, so watch out. He's spraying right here. You have an ID?
Yeah.
He's in there, I can't get him out.
Everybody stand by until 6-3 David got everything secured. Everybody stand by.
6-3 David, he's in the car, he's pinned inside.
Watch that light hanging over there.
Yeah. Simple.
He hit that light pole and it's hanging, so you want to start fire to get him out of here.
I'm sorry, you guys stepped on. What's the deal? 2-3 David. Our friends are inside the car. We cannot get them out. Structure to run just they're starting to smoke now. And we do have a light changing, so maybe a few cars still for traffic control over here. If I got company, just flat back to traffic control to 6-3 David at 43 and Drexel.
One is headed that way. We'll take the southbound traffic and then they can.
Hey, I think he's DUI. I think he was DUI. He had a bottle in there with yellow liquid.
Alright, 2-1 route against going southbound, 2-3 route against the block northbound.
Either or.
Is it only one person?
Yeah.
Stop him over there. I saw you. I was right behind you.
Yeah, you're behind us.
Just before he took off, I was going to ask you if you could get your door for me or something. And then all of a sudden, bam, he just took off his shit.
I was going to go do that for you,
No, hell no. Y'all got more important shit than fucking with that. This fool, he came across the median there. You can see the tracks.
Yeah.
I'm like, he fucked up because look at that car with all the fast wheels. Oh my lord.
Go on, Sarge.
that you?
Yeah, we stopped him at Berkeley. Oh yeah, we wasn't chasing. He just took off, and we seen him from all over there.
Yeah, I can hear you guys on the air. Oh, he took off from you when you were
Yeah.
standing on the foot.
Yeah, so when I do me a favor, I just want some burn weed in your car. He's like, he picked something out of the house.
We need to go back and check.
No, he just went down straight here. He went
you
fast.
positive?
Fast.
I don't want it to disappear.
No.
Okay.
Well, we didn't really see him because he was all the way over there, and we weren't even chasing him. But we saw him lose it.
All right.
Oh, this side, you gonna come in?
What will open inside?
He's right here.
How long is it?
No. One guy.
Okay, well, let him go.
Huh? You have the what?
Yeah, big rock or something is about to toss out of the car.
Oh. So he's trying to toss the thing before he crashed. He lost control. He was mumbling and everything. Watch out, the dangling light.
Is he stuck in there?
Yeah.
Yep. Thanks, man.
Hey, watch out, yo.
Hey, back up.
He has a landing light.
Stick to a stick. Stick to a stick. Word of electricity or light. The light pole is dangling off above.
I don't know.
Did you notify that?
I'm right.
Full stop.